Hello, welcome. Welcome if you are new here, and welcome back if you've been with me for a while. Don't forget, I do have a giveaway going on right now, trying to get that, or trying to reach that 1,000 subscriber mark to give away a bunch of goodies. So that link will be down below. Next, I have for you Level Naturals. So I don't remember how much this is. I will put it on the screen, but it's basically a bath box, and it's all natural, all vegan, all organic, all of that. I'm pretty sure that this is going to be a surprise box because I did not... Oh, you know what? They probably just chose the stuff that I had the last time, which is fine because that stuff is good. So this is Level Naturals, the Goodest Box. This is the largest box that they have. And, you know, it's just like bath bombs, shower bombs, soap, all of that fun stuff. You get a piece of paper. Does this tell me how much it is? No, it doesn't tell me how much it is. So I'll put it on the screen, but you can choose when you get this box. You also get to choose your items from a list of multiple different types of items. I choose to get this box every 8 weeks. And so you can see here, it has check marked the things that are in the box. So we've got tea tree and activated charcoal, which is the soap. We have lavender and chamomile for the candle. For the bath bombs, we have frankincense and myrrh, jasmine and rose, and rosemary day. And then for the shower bombs, menthol and eucalyptus. So the bath bombs are small, but they look like this. And so this is, oh, it's a little chalky. Looks like it's falling apart. So this is rosemary clay bath bomb. Oh, and it smells so good. And this is the frankincense and myrrh bath bomb. Oh, I absolutely love it. And this is the jasmine and rose bath bomb. Oh, that just smells so wonderful. I forgot to show you what it looked like. When you open the box, it looked like that. The bath bombs are sitting right there. And then the next thing I am pulling out is the Level Naturals hand-poured soy candle. Oh, that smells so good, and it looks like that. It is, and it's lavender and chamomile. I can smell the lavender 100%. I can slightly smell the chamomile. It's a good scent. I like it. I feel like this is a larger candle than the other ones, though. I don't know. I have travel brain right now, so I could totally be mistaken on that. The next thing is the soap. It is tea tree and charcoal activated. And that just smells so good. I absolutely love this box, but I just don't use the stuff fast enough to get it every month. So, and then these are the shower bombs. It comes with 4 shower bombs. And these smell amazing. I can smell them just by, and this is what they look like. In each pack, ooh, they're so strong and so good. I love them so much. And these are so good for in the winter time. You know, especially if you have a cold or you just aren't feeling well, or if you need woken up a little bit more, if you're just having a real rough day. These just, oh, I love them so much. I need to start using them a little more because I'm getting a little backed up on shower bombs. But, I mean, the kids use them when they're sick too. So that is Level Naturals, the Goodest Box. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing, and I will see you next time. Bye.